How to root the Schefflera cutting. Schefflera, also known as umbrella plant, is hardy in U.S. Department of Agricultural Zone 11. In zones colder than 11, the Schefflera is grown as a houseplant. The glossy leaves are deep green, and they radiate from a central point on top of the stem. Depending on the type of Schefflera growing, it can reach heights of more than 2 feet with an equal spread. It is possible to multiply your Schefflera plants by taking cuttings and rooting them. Things you will need: 4-inch pot, well-drained potting soil, sharp knife or razor blade, glass, rooting hormone, pencil, plastic bag. Fill a 4-inch pot with well-drained potting soil. The soil level should fall 1/3 inch below the pot's rim. Examine the Schefflera plant to find a healthy stem. Cut off a 6-inch stem with a sharp knife or razor blade. Make the cut at a 45-degree angle. Remove all but 4 or 5 leaves at the top of the stem. Dip the cut end into a glass of water, wetting 1½ inches of the stem. Shake the cutting to remove excess water. Dip the wet end into rooting hormone. Tap the stem to remove excess rooting hormone. Make a hole in the potting soil with a pencil and insert the end with the rooting hormone into the hole. Place a plastic bag over the pot to help retain humidity. Water the soil in the pot so it is evenly moist. The water should come out the bottom drainage holes. Place the pot in a bright location, but not in direct sunlight. The heat from the sun makes it too hot inside the plastic bag. Check the soil every day to make sure it is moist. Do not allow the soil to become dried out, nor should it be soggy wet. Check the cutting for roots after it has grown at least a month. When roots have formed, remove the plastic bag.